Everyone, this is our first half of 2026 product recap. In our last report, we made three promises for 2026: the fan-out queries at scale, the AI-powered page optimization, and AI search visibility. Today, I'll show you that none of these are plans anymore. They're live. And additionally, a bunch of other big and small releases that are genuinely changing day-to-day SEO work. Founded in 2018, JetOctopus is a cloud-based all-in-one SEO platform for large websites and enterprise teams. Since then, we've crawled thousands of websites, processed billions of pages, and hundreds of billions of log lines. And all of the knowledge we gathered during these years amplified our thousands of businesses on a day-to-day basis. JetOctopus automates the heavy lifting in technical SEO so strategists can focus on decisions, not data mining. We combine three core modules: the crawler, the log analyzer, and the Google Search Console integration designed to handle SEO at scale. Here is a quick overview of the biggest releases so far in 2026. So, JetOctopus MCP, AI SEO Recommendations, the Page Optimizer, and the Efficiency Dashboard, Fan-out Analyzer, Fan-out Charts in Google Search Console, and the URL History tool. Let's start with the first one. And the first big release is the JetOctopus MCP server. It connects your AI assistant, Claude or ChatGPT, directly to your live JetOctopus data, the crawl, log, Google Search Console. So now you can ask in plain language, what are the page types poorly crawled by AI bots, and what are the probable reasons? What are the most chronic tech issues dragging pages down in rankings? Or simply automate complex SEO reports involving many websites at once. But that's not all. Now, directly from the chat, you can start a crawl, pause it, resume it, adjust thread count or page limits, set a schedule, and archive finished crawls. Your saved segments are also available in the assistant. And now you can say, take my money pages segment and show clicks and impressions from Google Search Console. So one sentence instead of like a manual filter chain. And the MCP also allows to see all historical data and compare the crawls. One important detail on safety. So anything that spans quota or stops work, like starting, canceling the crawl, or deleting the schedule, so the assistant now shows an impact preview first and waits for your confirmation. Reversible actions like pause or archive run immediately. This isn't just a chatbot layered on top of the dashboard. This is the tool itself and made conversational. Second big release is the AI SEO Recommender. The tool automatically analyzes your crawl, logs, and Google Search Console and produces a ready-made list of technical issues and growth opportunities, ranked by the quantity of pages by impacted issue or by the volume of organic impressions related to them. What used to be hours of manual analysis is now done in one pass by our special AI model. Next is the AI Page Optimizer. It's a tool that allows you to improve the most vital SEO content on your pages, the title, meta description, and the H1. So all of those are based on the real data from Google Search Console. You can see which keywords are generating impressions but are missing from your tags. Then with one click, you get an AI optimized version shown side by side with your original version. Let AI rewrite your SEO tags and then just simply upload all of them in bulk to your CMS when you're done. The only thing needed afterwards is just to watch your organic impression and clicks grow. Next is AI Efficiency Dashboard. This dashboard is similar to SEO efficiency we've had for years, but this one shows how effectively AI bots can actually see your site, how many pages are visited by search bots and user bots like ChatGPT or Anthropic. So now you can see which pages are visible to AI bots, which pages were found but not shown to users. What share of the pages is invisible to AI because of 404s, redirects, or JavaScript rendering? This isn't just a report, it's a map of where you're losing visibility in AI search. When a user asks a question in ChatGPT or another AI tool, the model doesn't search for that exact phrase. It breaks the query into smaller subphrases, the query fanouts, and searches for each one separately. We shipped two tools that work together. The first one is the fan-out analyzer. It shows which fan-out keyword groups a specific page ranks for and how well those terms are represented in the title, body, H1, and the metadata. The second one is the fan out keyword charts directly inside Google Search Console. So now you can see the trend over time. Together, these are the fan out queries at scale we promised in the last report, now covering the entire site, not just one page at a time. The tool is also able to summarize the fan out queries your page is visible for and provide you the insights on which terms you need to mention or which questions of your users you need to answer to boost your AI and SEO visibility. And the last big release is the URL history tool. For any URL, you can now see a chart of all its changes over time, the status codes, title, indexability, or canonicals. This closes the classic question. So when exactly did this page break? From now on, there are no more manual crawl comparison. The full URL history is right there for you, together with the Google Search Console data and the full log of the changes for each URL taken from the crawls. And of course, we had a bunch of small releases during the first 6 months of 2026. First one is the My Data section, got a refreshed interface and improved functionality. The JetOctopus alerts can now be connected directly to Microsoft Teams. Summary data tables now show mini charts in line. For your most important URLs, you can set an alert schedule for automatic monitoring. The pre-crawl firewall check verifies that your site is accessible before the crawl starts. In the compare crawls functionality, you can also compare settings of different crawls. Breadcrumbs now automatically validate status codes for every URL in the chain, and the fake bot reports got sharper and easier to work with. In the second half of 2026, we'll push the boundaries of using AI even further. We'll continue AI empowering current functions, Google Search Console and AI integration, internal linking tool, anchors analytics, and content optimization opportunities. All of these won't just have an AI sprinkles on top. The experience we'll ship in the next 6 months will be 100% AI first. We aim to automate as much SEO processes as possible to exceed the wildest expectations. And of course, while we're growing and evolving in the AI era, we'll continue investing in customer experience, not only by improving online support, but also by spreading the SEO and AI knowledge we've gathered based on the big data we have. See you on the next recap. Real screenshots, real data, real fixes.